Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell about operators in JavaScript. Now I have taken some simple example in the HTML program. In this HTML program I'm going to use JavaScript by internal by using script. First of all, I'm going to tell what is operators and how it will be helpful for JavaScript. JavaScript operators are symbols that are used to perform operations and operands. In JavaScript, we have 6 types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison or relational operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and special operators. First, I'm going to tell about arithmetic operators. These arithmetic operators are useful for us to take some arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, or decrement. Now I'm going to tell about arithmetic operators. For these arithmetic operators, I took two variables, a is equal to 70, where b is equal to where a is equal to 7, b is equal to 5. Here I have declared two variables. Now I'm going to take some arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, and all. First of all, I'm going to perform one addition, okay, where I'm going to add these two variables by using addition operator. For this, I'm going to take another variable c, and I'm going to store this addition of this a and b, a plus b. Now I'm going to bring this dot of c. See, here I have taken one variable c and I assigned the addition of a and b to that c, and after that I have written that c variable. Okay, now I will take. See, here we got addition of a and b. Here we have a as 7, b as 5. If we add these two variables, we will get 12, right? Now I am not going to use another variable. I am going to subtract directly these two variables, a minus b. So we got 2 as output, right? Next, I am going to multiply. See, we got 35 as output because we have 7 as a and 5 as b. If we multiply these two numbers, we will get 35, right? Next, division d. So, if we multiply 7 by 5, we will get 1.6. Next, in this we will have modulus. For this modulus, we use percentile symbol. Okay. Percentile. If we divide these two numbers, we will get division, right? If we divide these two if we use modulus, we will get remainder as output. See, 2, we will get 2 as output. Here 2, we have 2 as remainder, right? If we division 5 with 7, we will get 2 as remainder, right? Next, increment operator. Here we have a as 7, right? See. Here we got one increment. In this increment and decrement operator, we have two types: post increment and pre increment, post decrement and pre decrement. In this post decrement, if we assign this value, if we increment this value, it will increment, but it won't print. Next, if we print this and next we will get increment. That increment value, if we increment this again, we get this only. But when we print again a value, see, we got a 9, right? It means post increment means it will increment by 1, but it won't assign to that value. It only increment by 1, right? After when we print that value again, we will get that value, that incremental value, right? Here I am using pre-increment. Before variable name, if we use double plus, it will be post increment. If you use plus plus before the variable name, it is pre-increment. So before only it incremented by 1, and it also assigned to that variable. When we print that variable, we will get that incremented value, right? See, here we have 7. We post incremented 7. It got 8. Next, we also incremented by 1. It got 9. Later, in this post increment, if we print here A, but we won't get A as 8. It will get 7 only, because it incremented by 1, but it won't assign to the variable. If we print again that variable, it will be assigned to that variable, right? Here in pre-increment, it will incremented by 1, and at the same time it will assign that value to that variable. Here we have 9, and later it is incremented by 1, 10, and we got that variable, right? Decrement values also same like this increment values, but instead of these plus symbols, we use minus symbols. Those are the arithmetic operators. Now I am going to tell about comparison operators. First one is equal to. Next one identical, equal and of same data type, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than and less than or equal to. Now I am going to tell about is equal to. Uh, if See, I have value as 7, A value as 7 and B value as 5, right? A is equal to 5. Right. Hello. If I will tell these conditional statements in next classes. Now I am using just if condition. This if condition is used to check the condition. If this condition is true, it will allow us to get the output which we wrote in this condition. If it is false, it won't allow us to print or to take the values which we initialize in this if condition. Here I have taken one condition, A is equal to B. Right? Here when we take A and B values, A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 5. It's not equal, right? Then you won't get any value. See here, you won't get any value. I will write else statement also. Then you will get clarity. See, we got 5. I will tell how this if statement and else statement will work. If the condition which we wrote in this if condition is true, it will allow us to check the statements in this condition. If it is false, the statement which we wrote in this else condition will be printed, right? So here this condition is false because A is not equal to B, right? So the statement which we wrote in else is printed. So we got high as out, right? Next, here I am taking one more variable where D is equal to 7. Now I am going to check A is equal to D. So A is equal to D. Right? Okay, now I'm taking some D as some main. So I'm taking one more variable is equal to Shreya only. Here I'm going to check again. D is equal to E. Yes. See, here we have same value in D and E, right? D it contains one string as Shreya, and E also it contains one string as Shreya. So these both are same. That's why we are getting this is Shreya. Here I am using identical variable. This identical variable is but as is equal to operator, but it will check also data type. It will check value and also it will check data type. We have a string in D and we also have string in E, right? That's why we get this is Shreya. Next, not equal to. Here we got high as output, right? Because it is not equal to. So I am taking not equal to operator here. Before we got high as output for this condition, right? Now I will check. See, we got hello as output because here we taken A not equal to D. I will take B also. B also A not equal to B, right? We got a hello as output because the condition which we wrote in is true. That's why it prints the value which was present in this if condition. Next, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, less than. It is also same as this equal to not equal to operators. Taking if condition and I am checking A greater than 5. I have taken some condition A greater than 5. It will check if the A is greater than 5 or not, and it will execute the code which we wrote in this condition, right? Yes. A is less than 5. See, here we got A is greater than 5 because what is the value of A? 7, right? 7 is greater than 5. This statement is true. So we got output as A is greater than 5, right? Now I am going to take less than symbol. See, if we take less than symbol, the condition got false. A is less than 5. A value what? 7. 7 is less than 5. It's false. That's why we entered into else statement. The statement which we have in this else statement will be printed. Right? Greater than or equal to or less than or equal to also same. Next one, bitwise operators. Here we have bitwise operators as bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR, bitwise NOR, bitwise left shift and right shift. For this, we have I will tell this bitwise operators in next video. Now I'm going to talk about logical operators. We have three types of logical operators: logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. Logical AND is used to check two conditions. If one condition is false and next condition is true, we have some tables for this logical and logical OR and logical NOT. Here we have some logical operators. With this, we are going to take bits, and next, in this we are going to take output. Same. Here we have 4 combinations. That's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Right? For AND operations, AND operations, here OR operations. Here more operators. Same as AND operations, here also we will do 4 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. One on. In AND operations, if we get both the bits as higher values, that means 1, we will get output as 1. Right? If we have any of the bit with the lower value, that means 0, we will get output as 0. If both the bits are 1, we will get 1. If we get any one of the value as 0, it will get 0, right? Here, if we get any value as 1, any one bit as 1, we will get 1 as output. We have both the values as zeros, we will get 0 as output in OR operations, right? In NOT operations, if we have 0 as input, we will get 1 as output. If we have 1 as input, we will get 0 as output. Okay? This is the truth tables for AND, OR, and NOT operations in bitwise operators. So I will tell this bitwise operators also now only. Not bitwise operators, logical operators now only. Okay. For this logical operators, first I am going to tell logical AND. Here I am going to take one if condition, and I am going to take these both conditions. In this if condition, here we use this special symbols as AND operators, two and marks. we can use that as argument, logical AND operators. I'm also using else condition because we will get clarity while using this else operation. Okay. As I before only mentioned that AND operation will get if we have both inputs value higher, we will get output as higher, right? That means once one. If we have any one of the value as 0, we will get 0 output, right? See here. If we have both the values 1, we will get 1. If we have any one of the value 0, we will get 0 on them. Right? Here I am going to check the conditions. A not equal to B. See here A not equal to B. It's true, right? Here we will get 1 and D is equal to E. See here we have D is equal to B, right? So both the conditions are true. Here we will get 1 and here also we will get 1. In AND operator we will have 1 as output if we have both the values input values as 1, right? See this will get AND operator. We get the output from this AND condition, if condition, right? Likewise, we also we can also implement OR operator, we can also implement NOT operator. For NOT operator, I'm going to use one if condition. Where F is equal to we got a false as output, right? Here we have this condition is true, right? A not equal to B, not equal to B, right? It's true. But when we use this not operator, if we have true value, we will get false value as output. If we have false value, we will get true value as output, right? Here we have true value, then that's why we got false as output. That's all about logical operators. And we have assignment operators. This assignment operators we have assign operator, add and assign operator, subtract and assign operator, or multiply and assign, division, divide and assign, modulus and assign. Right? These are also known as compound assignment. Here nothing to say, but this assignment operator is here when we took this a c is equal to a plus b. Here we have performed addition arithmetic operator, addition operator, right? And we assign this value to c, right? Here it is known as assignment operator. We also have compound assignments that add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, all these things we have. Now I'm going to take add and assign. Now I'm going to take one variable, g is equal to 40. Next, z plus is equal to 20. So here how it will work is, first I have assigned this 40 to 40 value to this g. Next I'm going, we already have 40 to this g 40 value to this g variable, and I'm going to add. This expression will work like this. G is equal to g plus 20. It's going to work like this when we wrote this assignment, compound assignment. G is equal to g plus 20. It will work like this. We already have 40 value. 40 plus 20, we will get 60 as output. See, we got 60 as output. Likewise, we also mention subtraction. Forty minus 20, how much? 20. Likewise, we also perform multiplication, division, and modulus also. We have bitwise operators and special operators. In next video, I am going to tell those two operators. That's all about arithmetic operators, comparison operator, logical operator, and assignment operator. Those two operators will be continued in next video. Thank you.